Indiana, and years ago, before we even like thought of living in a camper, we used to go to the Boat Sport and Travel Show in Indianapolis.
It's a great way to see campers. There are a lot of boats there, but they should have a lot of rigs there too. So when we were in Myrtle Beach last year, we told you guys that we thought that was the best way to see as many campers as possible. And I'm gonna stick to that idea, because if you go to these big shows, what I would recommend you do is take a piece of paper or use your phone as notes. Check off the stuff that you like about campers, check off the stuff that you don't like about campers, and then you can go from there.
I think Mike's right that it's one of the best ways to shop, because you have all kinds. I know. Calm down. It's rare, but it happens. It is one of the best ways to see a ton of campers, and at a show like this, a ton of different brands of campers, and have minimal sales pressure. Now there's still going to be people there trying to sell us campers, and that's okay, but if we say we're just looking, we get all these different floor plans and layouts and ideas. And I think sometimes at these shows they have a quota that they want to meet to sell them, so towards the end of these shows I think might be a good time to buy as well. All you need.
Yeah.
Got a little bed, little TV back here.
All right, what do we got here?
Nice.
Wet bath. You got a little window in there? It's even got a max air fan in it. There you go, Steffi.
Found the grand design.
Okay, break it down.
Break it down. You have a walk around queen. It looks just about like our setup, honestly. I think most of them are with the, yep. All right. So kind of like the 2800 bunk. There's no slide.
There's no slide. I just realized that too. Yeah. That's a good point.
That's kind of nice though, not having a slide. I like the hooks on here. I wish ours had something more like hooks. We put our own in, but still.
Pretty standard. Okay. I like this. I like this little
pantry thing.
It'd be like a little coffee nook.
Bar. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah. Okay.
Not bad.
Still sticking with the nice deep sinks. I like that.
Yes.
And that's the same stuff we have.
That's a good. This is a debate. Do you prefer the double sink or the big single sink? Because there are very strong opinions on both parties. Let us know down below. Which do you prefer?
I like our deep sink.
I do too.
Ours don't have lights in these side closets.
Oh yeah, a bunch of people have told us we need to put in like motion lights in there. Oh, it's just an LED strip?
Yeah, that's actually really nice.
Oh babe, it has the thing. It has the thing.
Vacuum.
And it's plugged in. Well, that's unexpected.
Every time we walk through something, we've got to touch something.
I am that person that has turned on the sinks in the camper on display before, and you're not supposed to do that because they're winterized. But the vacuum works.
All right. Let's go look at some fifth wheels.
As people who have full-timed in a travel trailer for almost 5 years, sometimes we walk into fifth wheels and we're like, this is why people full-time in fifth wheels, not travel trailers.
Like every time we walk into it.
They're so big.
Come on. Come on.
I am reiterating this once again for some of us. We're not actually shopping for an RV. We're just looking. Okay, so like a kid's room.
This is a bunk house.
Wow. So bunk up here, bunk down here, bunk up here. I wouldn't be surprised if you could sleep on the couch. What do you think?
And then second
toilet.
Second bath.
Full bath. No window above the top like the other one. That was one of my like bucket list things that I swore I wanted when we were shopping for our camper. I wanted the bed on a slide because I feel like it opens up the room so much more. Obviously we didn't go with that and it's totally fine, but I just feel like it just opens up the room so much more. It also makes for a way bigger camper and a heavier camper too.
You still can't make the bed like a normal bed though.
Tuck the corner.
Yeah. It's a workout every time we make the bed.
Literally every time.
Whoever did this guy deserves a raise right here. Look, they would have had to roll this out and pulled forward.
Then pulled forward and then pulled back.
This guy deserves a raise. Whoever did this. That's nice.
Because I feel like you would really want to sink because your prep work, you're all the time either like having to go inside, wash your hands, or do all your prep work inside.
So you grab a beverage, you grill, wash your hands. See, I like that. What's up?
This would be nice. I remember we were living in South Carolina. We'd only been in the camper a year or so, and it just rained and rained and rained, and we couldn't sit outside. One of our neighbors had a deck, and he was sitting outside all the time, and I was like, that would be nice.
This could be Callie's little deck, right?
You see the like awning?
Yeah, I know. It's nice.
Callie would live out here.
Yeah, she would. I would too.
Well, we had a lot of fun at the Boat Sport and Travel show yesterday. I still think that's a great way to see all the kinds of different RVs. It did get a little chaotic. It was kind of busy. We went on a Wednesday or Thursday? Thursday.
It was on Thursday. It's okay.
I don't know
Friday.
what day of the week it is. Why don't I know what day of the week it is?
Because you're on vacation.
I'm on vacation.
We did run into a couple of our fans out there when we were at the Boat Sport and Travel show. So if we ran into you, hello, it was nice to meet you guys.
Drop a comment below. We love running into y'all when we're out and about. So thank you for saying hey. We love hearing that you guys watch us and like what we put out. So thank you.
As you can see, we're packing up the truck. We're heading to warm weather because it is cold here.
We are heading on a road trip without the camper. So as per usual, we have overpacked out the wazoo. Way too much stuff. It's really hard going from living in a camper and traveling with it to not taking everything you own with you.
It's true. So we are heading to warm weather today. We'll be bringing that to you guys next week. Until then, be safe out there. We love you guys.
And we'll see you next time.